Iiyak na yan.
Nag-prepare kaya.
Go-projector. Go-projector.
Sorry, hindi ako Tagalog. Then in English ko. Sorry. I would like to congratulate Larry and Des for their 35th wedding anniversary. Reaching this milestone is truly something worth celebrating. I'm sure our parents in heaven are smiling and happy to see you both together. Wala na si Bishop, pero I would like to extend our heartfelt thanks to Bishop for gracing this event. Bishop Macani has officiated the wedding. Lahat kami, hanggang pinsan si Bishop, kung kayang hilain ng nanay ko para mag-misa para sa mga weddings namin, si Bishop po yun. Siya yung go-to ng mami ko. To our relatives, kay Uncle Chris, kay Ate Noy, kay Ate Nelma, kay Tweet, sa mga cousins namin, friends and relatives, thank you so much for being here despite your busy schedules. You're still here with us to celebrate. Your presence is remains as your presence. Sorry, despite your busy schedule, you still found the time to celebrate with us, and your presence means so much to our family. Yours.
This is not a prepared speech, but this is very, very short. How would I describe that? And I don't call that Des as Des. I call her that, right? I saw them grow as a couple. So when they got married, it's actually Marcar and I who actually busy for their wedding preparation, from the church to the gown and everything. Para kami yung kinasal actually. So kami yung kinabahan na pagdating dapat kasya lahat and the gown and everything. So it was the first wedding of the family. So it's really a big thing for us. And as a couple, I saw them how they grew, and I'm so proud of both of you for all the things you've undergone. From everything, I'm so proud, and how you have been in Hong Kong. You have been a catalyst over there, so I'm so happy and proud of both of you, and continue to soar high. And I'm just here at your back together with the rest of our family. We love you both.
Parang sabihin mo, si Larry, pinapapusin yung ulo. Parang pinasin yung ulo. Iiyak yung no.
Maraming salamat.